Do you want to add a logo and menu to your WordPress site? In this tutorial, we will show you how to easily add a logo and menu in WordPress. Let us first create a menu for our site. A menu is a list of links pointing to important areas of a website. They are usually presented as a horizontal bar of links at the top of every page on a website. Menus give your site structure and help visitors find what they're looking for. To create a menu, you need to visit the Appearance, Menus page in your WordPress admin dashboard. First, you need to provide a name for your menu, like Primary Menu, and then click the Create Menu button. Next, you can choose the pages you want to add to the menu. You can either automatically add all new top-level pages, or you can select specific pages from the left column. First, click the View All tab to see all your site's pages. After that, click the box next to each of the pages you want to add to your menu, and then click on the Add to Menu button. Once your pages have been added, you can move them around by dragging and dropping them. After adding pages to the menu, select the location where you want to display the menu and click on the Save Menu button. And here's our finished menu on the site. Now let us add a logo to our site. Click the Customize option above. In the left column, click the Site Identity option. Then select the Select Logo option. You can now upload the logo or branding of your site. Now let us upload a sample logo. After uploading, click the Select option below to select the logo. WordPress will ask you to crop the image. You can crop the image or just skip the cropping. In my case, I will skip cropping, for I am satisfied of the logo size. The logo is added. Click the Publish button at the left to save. Now we can see that we have successfully added the logo to our site. Now the next thing we need to do is align the logo with our menu. Now the logo is on the top center position of the page, above our menu. What we want is to put our logo to the left position of the page, where it will align with our menu. At the exact position of these two phrases, so we will remove this too. But we can't do that by simply erasing these text. Notice that the position of the logo is still the same even though I removed both phrases. Now we can do this by applying some CSS code, but we will not do that yet. Instead, we will apply a more easy way of aligning both our logo and menu, that will not require any coding. Notice this checkbox here that says, Display Site Title and Tagline. Try unchecking the box. Observe how both phrases are removed and replaced with the logo above. Let us double check if it really worked by visiting the page. It did. Now it's perfectly aligned with our menu, and WordPress also adjusted the margin above automatically for us. Thank you for watching. And subscribe for more videos.